This is a frame that we've taken out of the hive. Usually,
in common with so many other beekeepers, Pete Douglas has seen his colonies on this organic farm in Wiltshire decline drastically.
This is one of the colonies that has died over the winter, and if we have a look in on a couple of these on a frame here, usually this would be absolutely covered in bees and with brood and stores on it. Now there's a very old patch here of brood where you can actually see some of the bees that should have emerged are still just capped over and dead.
We know bad weather and disease have hit them hard, and some believe the pesticides, called neonicotinoids, are making matters worse.
Really, many of the scientists are showing that there's a huge problem in terms of the impact of neonicotinoids on particularly honeybees, but also wild pollinators as well.
But here at the Food and Environment Research Agency near York, they say the issues are far more complex.
It's the weather conditions that play the most important role, impact of pests and diseases, colony management. You know, but the more you add as stresses to colonies, the worse it can be.
Despite concerns raised by the European Food Safety Authority, the belief here is that far more research is needed. They've studied bumblebees and found no adverse effect. There is more work to be done.
If we can't find those harmful effects in the real world, then we sure know that we will not be able to measure any benefits resulting from a ban on neonicotinoids. And these are a very useful group of pesticides for farmers and growers, used to control a whole range of pests.
Honey production was devastated last year, and bees are also vital pollinators. Just look at the pollen caked on their legs as they return to the hive. It's a huge help to the very farms that those supporting a ban believe are worsening the plight of the honeybee.